Man, what's good, YouTube, man? We back. It's raining. Look, I got my son with me today. Now come over here, man. As you can see from the last video, man, we slowly checking to-dos off the list to get the truck up and going for the classics. Look at this guy. He's playing hooky today. So for today's video, we are actually going to start mounting or getting ready to do the LED strips. It was raining earlier, so I can't really get on my back like that today, but you know, I'm kind of somewhat lazy, so I'm gonna figure out another way to mount these lights. So we got LED strips. We got probably like 4 rolls that we're gonna do. So what I'm actually gonna do, we're gonna go to Home Depot real quick, and we are gonna buy like metal bars. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna silicone the lights. I'm gonna paint them flat black. Then I'm gonna mount the lights on there, then drill holes so I can just screw them up. Man, like, subscribe. Man, comment. Let me know what you guys think of the last video. We finally got her to burn out. Good enough power. So we checked the burnout thing off the list. Now we got to do the lights, and then Alright, so we just got here to Home Depot. Got the little mouse trap with us. Look, I'm gonna show you guys this drop long bed, man. I want to get me a long bed when the day I become a... What are you doing, man? The day I want to build a race truck, man, I want to get me a long bed and drop this thing. Look, this thing's like perfect. I feel like long beds with the aerodynamics of it, man, them things will get down. Look at that, that thing is badass. Alright, so we're gonna go to Home Depot real quick. Look, this thing's so cool. We're gonna go to Home Depot. We're now hiring. For those that want to get jobs, we gotta find these brackets. But we're gonna get a cart so we can put little man in there because he's wild. Okay, let's get a cart. Come over here. You're out of control sometimes. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what exactly I'm looking for. I guess you can call it a bus bar. We used to use bus bars when we'd connect like a lot of batteries and we drill holes into them. And instead of doing a lot of terminals, we just do one metal bar across it and attach it to the battery. And that's how we get them all to connect. Let's see. No, not right here. Hopefully right here. And yes, here we are. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm trying to get. Okay. So I'm going to do a lightweight one. So you can see something like this maybe. It's already somewhat pre-cut. Okay, hold on 1 second. See, so basically attach silicone the light to it and then drill holes to it and then mount it up. So I don't have to do all that other crazy stuff. Okay, so we got 3 of them. We're gonna do 2 for the side, and I just bought 1 because I'm gonna cut it straight in half and use it for the front and the back. The grill, we can pretty much just mount it to something there because it's plastic, so I think it should be straight. So you guys get the idea. So now I'm gonna find silk tappers, so I'll be able to mount it up to the metal of the truck, man. So yeah, man, I'll find an easy way out of everything, man. You just got to be creative and use your head. All right, so we got the self tappers. We don't need nothing too crazy. These will do the job. I don't even think we need washers because I'll just fill the hole small enough and then we'll put it up there. All right. So I'm not a really big fan of the lights, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw some on just because, man, we need them. But I'm only gonna light up the sides and the grill. You know what I'm saying? So, but like I said, it'd probably be all right to go ahead and clean up the bottom and use this right here, the high tech, to mount the lights. The 3M tape is probably good, but man, I've seen and done a lot where the lights, they tend to fall, sag, or whatever you want to call it. So I am gonna go ahead and let me show you what I'm gonna do. If I can get this thing out. Man, it's so hot outside, man. Florida, Texas, and all that be talking about it's hot, man. Florida, it is hot. All right, so this one's already missing the sticky stuff, but it's all right though. It could probably still stick a little bit. Probably not. We'll use that for something else. But anyway, so my plan is I've already marked out where I am gonna need a pre-drill because where it's gonna get mounted at. Because there's metal pieces that I can self-tap with self-tappers. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-drill it. And I'm gonna put the light along the bottom right here with the glue, with the 3M tape, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put the silicone on it so it stays. So all I really have to do is just self-tap the thing up and it is on there for like ever, you know what I'm saying? I've seen other people, I've actually never really seen no one do it like this. Everybody always puts the LED lights and they zip tie them, which we probably could. On the back, we're probably gonna have to do something like that because I got that spare tire back there, but I don't know if I wanna make the back and the front glow, but I do wanna make the grill part glow. So I'm gonna have to take that grill part out, clean it off really good, use that spin tech, that high tech stuff, and let it sit, and then maybe silicone the lights so that things never fall off. So it makes that nice glow effect. I do have the lights that I'm gonna put in it for the weekend of the classics where the headlights be changing colors, and I do want to make the inside of the truck glow too a little bit, so we're gonna add some lights in there. I don't want to go too lights crazy, man, because there'll be some people that, man, they go crazy with them lights. And I just feel whenever you put too much LED lights or whatever you want to call them, man, that thing just looks too cartoony, man, and it takes the integrity of the car go away, man. So we like to keep stuff looking stealth and, you know, just to let people know that we have it, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-drill these holes, and then I am gonna flat black these out because since they're gonna be on the bottom, I need them flat black. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stick the lights on it and let them sit out and dry. I am expecting a package from Amazon from some stuff that I order. I order amps, EQs, the real deal RGB wire, and the weatherproof clips. I need that so I can be able to connect the lights. So hopefully those get in to later on today. So tomorrow I can hook up the lights and get all that done. And then, so man, we are on track. And then after that, I'm gonna connect the amps, rewire the system a little bit, and get the music up and playing and good. So only thing that is left to do is change out that windshield and put all 4 brand new tires so we can smoke them that weekend, man. So like I said, man, subscribe, you know, stay lights are in there. They got the silicone in there. Painted the bus bars black, metal bars, whatever you guys want to call them, black. We're gonna let them sit, dry. It'll probably take at least like, I'm gonna let all day let them sit there all day so they can dry. I'm pretty much at standstill. I'm waiting for the delivery truck to pull up so we can start running wires and the connectors and everything. Like I said, I'm only gonna put 2 side lights and I'm gonna light up that grill and then that's it. And then I do have this piece that's right overhead console where my flip down goes, and I'm gonna put a light strip up there, and maybe I'll figure out something else to light up, but pretty much that's gonna be it. That's gonna be lit up, and because like I said, I think too many lights will make that car look too cartoony, so we're not gonna go that route. We still want to keep a nice stealth look. And subscribe to the channel, man, you know, so you guys can check out the next part, putting the lights on. The next few videos are gonna be like me working on my truck, trying to get it ready. And then after that, as time goes, November 19th, 20th, and 21, we're gonna be in Orlando, Florida for the Florida Classics, man. You know, they have the 2 shows, which are the Big Rim Shootout, which we'll probably be at, man, because all the YouTubers will be out there. Everybody with the heavy motor game is gonna be out there, and man, that thing gets lit. And then you have the actual riding big car show at I forgot what the field's called, but it's down there on Colonial Drive in Orlando. And man, that whole strip gets crunk, man. That thing's no joke out there. I really don't know which one to go to, but I think you know, I'm into the motor stuff and all that stuff was going on right now. So I think I'm gonna head out to the Dunk Big Rim Super Bowl. I think that's what they call it. I'm gonna drop the flyer in here. That's where I'm gonna be at. So if you guys are subscribers or in Florida, man, pull up, check out the truck, sit in it, jam out, you know, all that stuff, man. We'll be out there. And then, you know, Friday night we're gonna touch down in there. Friday night it gets pretty clean, everybody out there hanging out. Saturday everybody be at the Magic Mall down that strip where the car show is actually at. And then Sunday's the actual car show, man. But we'll be out there all 3 days getting it. Man, like I said, if you're a subscriber and you're out there, man, feel free to pull up, say what's good, listen to the truck, check it out. And then at night we're gonna have the lights going, man, beating, you know, hanging out, man. So subscribe to the channel, you know, let me know what's good. I'll catch you guys on the next one.